Welcome viewers, Dr. JW living for me, not you. It's bad, really bad. Lost AWOL women. A hotel argument, too much alcohol, broken property, and police trying to work out what actually happened. What begins as a messy disagreement quickly becomes something far more serious when a 21-year-old repeatedly insists she is drunk, becomes increasingly confrontational, and the situation spirals into physical resistance. Viewers, this is the world of lost AWOL women.
I just understand you said you're trying to resolution to the situation to move hotels, but what was the issue? What was the issue? Like between you two?
I ain't got no issue. You know what I mean?
Okay, but so then what was her?
I don't want to put nobody in jail or make no accusations
Yeah.
or anything. You know what I mean? I also don't want to decline to give a statement about it. But I know anything that I say obviously will be used against a person. You know what I mean? I'm not no goofy, so I'm a hold my peace. I'm just trying to make sure, everything is cool.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
So we're just trying to figure out
what happened
here in the lobby. Yeah.
I didn't call y'all, so I can't tell
but
y'all everything.
But you were involved though, right?
I'm not involved unless I did something. You get what I'm saying?
But you are.
I don't want to make it difficult.
No, I understand.
You know
but
what I'm saying?
who is the female to you then that caused all this?
So the female isn't any relations to me. You know what I mean? But I don't want to speak too heavily on stuff because I don't want nobody arrested. I don't want no. You know what I'm saying? Trust me.
No, I do not have. I'm 21. He got me drunk as f. I'm not able to drive home. I live all the way to Milwaukee and I'm drunk. And he got me here to fuck. I don't know what to do. I'm drunk as f.
What's your name?
I'm in Sierra 21. I just started drinking. Yes, and he got me here to fuck.
Since we started.
Yes, but I'm not sober enough to go home, bro. He's mad 'cause I didn't want to fuck no more. And y'all just believe him over me, bro. This not you fair. I'm not even from Milwaukee, bro. The last thing I was bro. You think I'm gonna after bro? I know y'all watch the Packer games, bro. Do y'all think I'm gonna this after bro? Like what the and then little ass bad, bro. Cause I told this nigga, bro. No.
Can we start fresh?
Y'all just arrest me.
Can we start fresh?
Valid probationary license. Don't want to take.
So I don't know. So when I started getting a damn sort of personality, she got me drinking or whatever, I'm like, I cut her out. I actually hit the bottom. I'm like, nah, because, you're switching up a little bit. You're starting to get violent. You're starting to curse a little much. And it was too out of ordinary. You just got to talking about different, like people and scenarios. And I was like, okay.
Y'all don't understand that got 12 million, bro. Okay. Look at this, bro. He only mad because that girl started saying stuff, bro. When I said, like,
we walked downstairs, everything was normal. And she walked over to her and was like, she said something to her about, would you a man who has a girlfriend? I kept it real with her. You feel me? Everything just casual. We've been on that. Everything's cool.
The Bodycam catches a progression from confusion to consequences. The woman acknowledges throwing the hotel's plan and repeatedly argues that being asked to leave was unfair, while officers and hotel staff describe something damaged about the property, including a broken glass, and that she might be responsible.
she just told me to get out. I feel like my car parked outside, bro. I just drove an hour, bro. I paid half too. Like, that's not fair. Like, I am sorry for that plant. If y'all gonna arrest me for that plant, y'all just arrest me.
I came right back through here and I said, let's, we're gonna come back.
This is an event where two people have met to have sexual relations and it's gone wrong relative to alcohol. As officers continue questioning those involved, her behaviour escalates. She makes accusations against an officer, struggles with officers, attempt to restrain her, and later begins banging her head while in custody.
Oh, look at this. I'm just being stupid. stupid. Like, I'm just being stupid, clearly. That's all I'm doing. I'm drunk. Come on. I'm a little drunk. I can't even drive.
Sir, do you have your ID on you? All right, let me take a look at that. Thank you.
Bro, it's not even fair, bro. He asked me to come up here. Like, you know, see how... Bro, I ain't gonna lie, no. This not fair, bro. This week ass gets it, bro. He just f***ed me and me. This week ass gets it, bro. He just f***ed me and
Sit back down.
like, you see how he's pushing on me?
Sit back down. We're not doing that.
Stay seated.
That's not even fair. I hate white like you. Oh. How far is this ticket gonna be? Is he trying to put his hand on me and
So we're still trying to figure out what happened, right?
This just trying to put his hands on me. He's just trying to put his hands on me.
Oh, she spit.
He just touched my coochie. I promise you,
That's
he'll
not
touch my.
going to go well.
He just touched my coochie. I don't know. I have the video of him touching my coochie.
Alright, stop moving. Stop moving.
According to the video's closing narration, Sierra was subsequently charged with resisting, obstructing, criminal damage to property and disorderly conduct, while remaining presumed innocent unless proven guilty. This is what alcohol does to lost AWOL women.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. You go that way.
Bro, he just put his hands on me and everything. I swear to God, I hate being a black female. Bro, nigga can you all type of shit. And a white police officer just believe anything, bro. Can I call my baby to at least get picked up?
Sure.
Thank you.
Watch your foot, please.
Can you
Okay?
get my phone, please?
Yeah, I'll grab your phone. We're not stealing your phone. I promise. We're not stealing your phone.
21 in college, bro. No.
Grab your spit guard and just have it ready in case.
Was anything here damaged or is it just a mess?
Well, this is broken.
It is broken. Okay.
And then she also broke a glass over there, so
Where's the glass?
all over in front of that.
What was it from?
It was just a cup. It had a flower in it.
Arrest me! Let this arrest me! Let this Let this arrest me! Let this arrest me, bitch! He touched on my.
Get out.
I'm not getting down.
Keep her up. Put her down. Put her down. Let go! What you got? Put it on.
And then we'll put this down. There we go, right there.
The larger lesson isn't that people never make stupid decisions. They do. It's what happens after the mistake. Being intoxicated, angry, embarrassed, or only 21 doesn't erase responsibility. Every decision after the first mistake can either de-escalate the damage or multiply it. Growing older happens automatically. Growing up requires accountability.
Look how y'all run it. Y'all laughing. Yes, you is. It's okay. I'm gonna get all y'all.
This is the world of lost AWOL women.
Okay.